y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So tonight, no, not today, Satan. Okay, so we're gonna do some cooking. So meal prep on the grind. Okay, this is a keto meal, but this is also something I grew up loving. So we're gonna make some southern cabbage. Okay, yes, that's what I like to call it anyways. You know, kind of similar to like what my family makes, but also it's a little bit different because it's not all the exact same ingredients, but we gonna rock it. Okay, this is what I have in the house, so that's what we're gonna use. So right now I cut up 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's salted butter. Let me get out the brand. That is what it looked like right now. Okay, this is the one I'm going to. It is. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. So it's called. Why do you have to be so needy? Can you just like give me personal space? Nope, not since I brought you into this life. 2 months old, huh? Okay, he don't know how to live without me. So this is the brand right here. Okay, it's a European style salted butter. There's 4 quarters. I've already went through one. I think I went through one in about a week. So I would say that it should last me about a month. I got that from, I think my local HEB. But yeah, I used 2 tablespoons of that, and I'm melting it in my cooking pot right now. And I gotta put half this onion. It's a white onion. You can use whatever color onion you like, but I say white or yellow goes best with this, specifically like meal prep style. Okay, and then I got some thick cut natural hickory and mesquite smoked. If I'm saying that wrong, don't judge me, y'all. Okay, and it's from HEB. So I'm going to use about probably 4 slices of that. I think it's 4. And then I got this cabbage, but we're only going to use half of this. Because half of this, I think, lets me go through about 4 or 5 plus meals. So I should be good for the next 2 or 3 days just on half a cabbage. So about 1 cabbage, I think, definitely covers me for a full entire week. Okay, so let me get to slicing and dicing, okay? Okay. So I put these in there, and the butter kind of got a little bit brown, and I also need these to sweat and get brown. So I'm going to keep stirring them, and then I need to cut up my 4 pieces of bacon. Use as much bacon as you like. Remember, this is going to be used for about 4 to 5 lunches. And remember, like I said, it's only half an onion, okay? It was a white onion, and it was very fat. Okay, guys? Ooh, I'm sorry for the steam, y'all. Okay, so half that onion, 4 pieces of bacon cut up with some kitchen scissors, and 2 tablespoons of garlic. And remember, there's butter in there as well, so I got to stir this up. And then over here, I got half my cabbage, cut off the bad parts and the stems, which I don't eat. So I got to cut this up. I'm going to cut this up this way in shreds, and then I like to cut it up sideways as well, too. So I like to double cut. Stack this way, stack that way, okay? So we're going to do that, and then throw it in the pot. Okay, now that we got the half cabbage cut up, I'm using chicken bouillon cube, okay, and that's the brand, sorry. We're going to throw this whole thing in there, and then I'm going to add some water. I think it's like 4 cups of water, so we're going to do that. I need to go have a measuring cup in here somewhere. I got to find a cup measure. So I'm going to throw this in there, put some water in there. Like I said, about 4 cups of water. And then after that, you just let it boil down. It's about 20-30 minutes, and it should be done. Okay. So let's get that started. Hey guys, I did about 5 cups this time, just because I think the cabbage is a little bit smaller. The bouillon cube's in there, but also I'm going to try to show this to y'all. Do you see kind of like the color of the water now? So this is because of the onions, the butter, and the bacon. So it gives it that nice like brown color and stuff like that. So I have this on a 4 right now. I'm about to turn up the heat, and then you just add, honestly, whatever seasonings like that you like in here. So for me, I got some pepper. I always have to pepper. I got pepper. Do some accent salt. You can use whatever salt you like. This is just my personal salt. And then I'm gonna use garlic powder. Okay. And then what else? We got some onion powder. So those are kind of like the staples that go in this. If I had seasoning salt, I wouldn't be using this one, but I don't got no seasoning salt in the house. So that's what we're gonna go with. And then I like my shit spicy, so where is it? Oh, I took it to work with me. But I have some red pepper flakes I'm gonna add into this. You can use, if you don't like it spicy, just add just regular pepper if that's something you like, or just add no pepper. Depends on your taste buds. So I'm gonna add that stuff in here, and then I'm gonna let it cook with itself for a hot minute. Okay, guys? So now all we gotta do next step is just stir all this shit up. Remember, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, whatever salt you like, and then red pepper flakes. With this. Okay? And just stir these shit up. It smells so good right now. Okay, I'm gonna stir this up. I'm gonna cover it and let it do its thing, because basically you want this shit soft as hell. You don't want it to be hard at all. You want it to be like extra motherfucking soft. Okay? Like even these chunky like white pieces that are normally like really hard to like chew and get through. No, this bitch needs to be soft as hell. Okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, y'all, this is kind of basically what it looks like when it's done. Now, one last thing I kind of really like to do is I like to taste test it to see if it needs more salt, more pepper, you know, like more seasonings and stuff like that. But I've been letting this, I think, go on for like 30 minutes. I thought it was 20 minutes, but I think it'd be 20 minutes if I like raise the temperature, but I never did. So I just kind of let it stay on that level 4 and cook down. But this is basically what it, basically almost all the color needs to be cooked out. Like, yes, obviously you're going to have green pieces, but they're not as super bright as they were. And it smells like straight heaven, southern heaven food up in here. Okay? So, pretty much that's it. I'm about to sit down and legit have me some of this right here. Okay? Because I'm hungry, y'all. I'm straight up hungry. I'm gonna have some of this and some of my ground beef. And, yeah, southern cabbage right here, y'all. Remember, guys, if there's any future videos you guys want to see, please put them in the comment section down below. Rate this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, because I freaking do love to cook. Like meal prep, I'm down. I'm down to meal prep. And like I said, right now I am on keto, so this is one thing like I'm happy I can have on keto, because I love me some cabbage, some southern cabbage. Okay, my family is from the deep dirty South. Okay, Atlanta, Alabama, Florida, the Georgia area, all that. Okay, so honey, when I tell you that right there, that over there, you see that, catch a whiff of that, that is how I grew up. Throw some butter on it, put some salt on it, put some bacon on it. You don't even know. Okay, so remember, if y'all want to see any of those type of videos, okay, I really am down to film them. Okay, so see y'all the next time I film.